KC Singh, what's more important, how India deals with the Quad, this first face-to-face meeting of the leaders of the Quad? Is it the one-on-one, the first official one-on-one between Prime Minister Modi and the US President in the backdrop of America's withdrawal from Afghanistan, China's increasing assertiveness in the region? What would you prioritize? What should India be prioritizing?
Look, when you look at President Biden's speech address to the UN General Assembly, which he delivered on Wednesday, most of the themes are there. He mentions the Quad there, and he says Quad, essentially three issues he mentions with the Quad. Climate change, he mentions emerging technologies, and health security. So I think vaccine initiative of Quad is extremely important, because vaccine inequity is what is being talked about, what UN will be discussing in many large parts of the world where really hardly any vaccines are available. So Quad will have to pick up that.
No, so are you saying Quad will overshadow the one-on-one?
But the priorities are different. You see, India has gone there.
Sorry to intervene. Do you believe Quad will overshadow the one-on-one?
No, I think No, I think what Quad will do will be to focus on these three issues. What India wants to talk about would also be Afghanistan, which was hardly mentioned by President Biden in the UNGA address. He's focused, looking at that speech, he's focused on China, whether emerging technologies, vaccines, anything else, infrastructure. His focus is China, and that is why the shadow on the Quad is actually of the Australia, UK, US, AUKUS agreement, which has got French really riled.
That's right.
Because their $80 or $90 billion worth of submarine deal is gone. But that tells you that when Biden's made up his mind about something, he didn't even care about what impact it may have on France. So he just went ahead and said, we'll give the nuclear submarine technology. And that alters the dynamics, the military dynamics in Indo-Pacific. Because the Chinese have been prepared basically with their missiles to hit anything within a certain range. But if the Australians get, and the Americans get bases there, and the Australians get the nuclear submarines, those become absolutely unhittable. And they come from a greater range, and they can lie submerged. So that's altered the dynamics. But the interesting thing is, we should not forget the meeting with the Vice President. If you remember, the irritants in the past were human rights, democracy, how BJP was behaving within the country. And don't forget, the Pegasus issue has come up in the Supreme Court. They're setting up a committee. And here, when you're talking from emerging technologies, President Biden has said at the UN that emerging technologies can be used to empower or to repress. Now, you know, these are issues that we cannot ignore.
Can I stop you?
And Americans are aware of all this.